Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud, and I'm your host Harsh Agrawal. Well, this video is for the PayPal users, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel the automatic payment which happens when you are making a payment via PayPal. So a lot of service, what they do is like when you made a payment, they basically add our PayPal address into the automatic payment. So when a year gets over, when the cycle gets over, they automatically charge our PayPal address. And I think it's not really useful for us because sometimes and in fact, most of the time we don't want many services to auto renew our services, and we end up losing a lot of money. So this video is very useful for any PayPal user. Even if you are somebody who is using PayPal for a long time, you should definitely follow the steps and cancel all the payment that you don't mean to make. And new users who's just starting out with PayPal, you can actually learn something new, and then you can safeguard yourself from this kind of payment. So the very first thing you need to do is go to your PayPal account, click on profile, and click on profile and settings. And here you can click on financial information and scroll down, and here you will see this option called automatic payments. And you can see the last payment which I just made today was for this plugin, Warfare plugins. And I mean to just make a payment and that's it, but then the PayPal sent me an email that you have set up an automatic payment. And that's where I realized this has been happening to a lot of my users, so this will safeguard you from such kind of chargeback. So what you need to do is click on manage automatic payments, and here you can see the list of all the payments. So just click on the merchant name, and then from here you'll see this option called cancel. Just click on that, and that's it. This will not affect your existing subscription, but only when the recurring payment will occur after a year, the payment will not go through, and you might get an email from them that hey, your payment did not get through. You can make payment using PayPal or any other detail. So just one quick little tip, and I hope this helps you. In case if you have any question, feel free to let me know. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.